Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix a Shopify store that is unavailable. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and go to Shopify and log into your account. Once you're in your dashboard, click on Settings at the bottom left of your Shopify store. Then, click on the Plan option. Make sure to choose a plan. Click on Choose Plan and select the plan that suits you. You can choose the $1 plan, the basic Shopify plan, or the advanced plan. I recommend starting with the basic plan. If you have just $1 in your bank account, go with the basic plan. Next, I'll explain why your Shopify store might not be available. After selecting a plan, go to your dashboard again. Under Sales Channel, click on Online Store. Then, click on Preferences. After that, scroll down. To let anyone access your online store, you need to choose a plan. That's why I told you to pick a plan. The reason your store is unavailable is that you didn't remove the restriction. It says here, restrict access to visitors with password. You have to uncheck the restrict access to visitors with password box. This option is buried because I didn't pay for a Shopify plan. You need to select a plan and uncheck this box. After you do that, your Shopify store will be available for everyone searching for it on Google. They will be able to find it and you can make purchases and manage your store. After you uncheck this box, remove the password and click on Save. That's exactly how you can solve this problem. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.